Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Do not start any physical removal until you confirm legal ownership of your scooter. If you lease or finance the scooter, check the contract now. The contract may explicitly allow third-party trackers to remain installed. If you are unsure about ownership rights, contact law enforcement or legal counsel for clear guidance. Removing a tracker without authority could be unlawful and could lead to civil or criminal penalties. Treat the device as potential evidence until ownership and authorization are verified. Conduct a careful visual inspection without touching or disassembling any components. Photograph the device and note its exact location and any visible labels or serial numbers. If the tracker is attached to wiring, frames, or battery areas, avoid manipulating those parts. Next, contact the seller, renter, or leasing company to ask whether they authorized a tracker installation. Keep all communication in writing. These steps preserve evidence and protect your legal position while clarifying who installed If the tracker was installed with proper authorization, ask the owner to remove it or authorize a licensed mechanic. If no authorization exists, promptly file a police report and provide your photographic documentation. Preserve all receipts, messages, and photos related to the discovery and any communications. For technical removal, use only a certified technician or dealership with authorization to avoid damage. For civil remedies, consult an attorney who can advise on recovery of damages and steps to prevent future unauthorized tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.